So he finally made it out the door. Didn't go to the store 'cause he ain't even want grits anymore. He just made his way over to his friend Betty's house. He had to call her up to let him know what he was thinking about. She answered, "Baby, how you been? Are you under stress?" He told her, "Baby, I'm fine. Stay out my business. See, I'm headed over to your house to tear that thing out." Then she laughed so hard he asked her, what was she laughing about? She said, "You can't come here, no way." He said, "Girl, what you talking about? I'm almost there and I'm gonna stay." She said, "He can," he said, "I will." She said, "Hey yo, chill. I got a new man and he over here. I'm so done with you for real." Then he yelled, "Betty, baby, how you gonna do me like this?" And she said, "Easy, look at your penis, believe me, it make me sick." Click, click, click.